They proposed to abort the baby, but parents refused. When the doctors saw the ultrasound, they asked the future parents whether they want to abort their deformed baby. But the couple was unshakable and determined to welcome their child to this world. Giving birth to your first child is always a magical yet complicated process. It changes your life forever. The love you experience is stronger than anything in this world, and you pray that nothing wrong would happen to your little angel. When Sarah Heller was 24 weeks pregnant, she and her partner Chris Idom had discovered something about their future baby. The ultrasound showed that their son had an especially severe lip and cleft palate. In fact, there are many kids born with a small hole in the lip, yet in their baby's case, the hole went all the way from the lip to the nose. When the parents-to-be saw the picture, they were shocked and worried. However, they refused to abort their son and decided to do something completely different about his diagnosis. The doctor said there were only 9 cases like that in the world. They asked us if we wanted to keep the pregnancy. Dad, Chris Idom, tells Omaha News. Sarah said she dreams to change the way people perceive children with lip and cleft palates. It is okay to be proud of your baby no matter the circumstances. We wanted to change what ultrasound newborn first-year pictures on our Facebook, Instagram accounts looked like. We wanted to spread awareness of cleft lips and palates, the mom tells Today.com. There are actually around 2,650 babies per year born with some kind of lip, jaw, or cleft palates in the U.S. The doctors and experts are still trying to figure out what is the reason for such an anomaly. But what we know is that family genetics play a role in about 1/5 of the children affected. The babies who suffer from cleft palates often have to undergo multiple surgeries and different treatments to learn to eat and talk. Since Sarah and Chris weren't able to afford these treatments, they decided to act differently. The couple came up with an idea to change people's perceptions of lip and cleft palates. When Sarah gave birth to her son, named Brody, she felt relief combined with worry. When she posted her son's pic on Instagram, she faced many insensitive comments. One person wrote, "What's wrong with his face?" The woman commented she wasn't shocked to receive such comments. She was just unprepared for such a reaction and for defending her son's appearance while he was just a newborn baby. Sarah explained to Today.com, "I decided to educate rather than create a confrontation because that is what I want Brody to do in the future. I want him to educate, to be an advocate for younger cleft kids who don't have their own voice yet." Lately, Sarah was out for dinner with Brody and her friends. When they were about to leave, their server put something on the table that looked like a napkin. The woman took it in her hands and realized it was a check. What she saw next made her completely amazed. You see, there was a check for $1,000 along with a note, "For your beautiful baby," according to Today. That kind gesture made Sarah shedding tears. "Tears fell from my eyes immediately, and the happiness my heart felt is indescribable," Sarah says. As we mentioned before, the kids with cleft lips and a cleft palate require extra care and extra money for surgeries and special treatments, which simply the vital process of eating, drinking, talking, and smiling. Sarah and Chris weren't a wealthy family and did their best to save some extra money for their son. The generous and surprising gift helped the couple pay for some of Brody's healthcare costs. What's more impressive, Brody's latest operation helped repair his lip. Even though the boy has to undergo more operations when he is between 9 and 12 months old, now he is feeling well. Thanks to professional doctors and surgeons, Brody will be able to eat and talk like an average kid in the future. A surprising gesture from a stranger gave the family such needed support. It instilled confidence in them and the power to overcome the upcoming challenges. We are convinced that with such loving and caring parents, Brody will go a long way, and his parents are as precious as their lovely son. Such kind gestures remind us the world is a lovely place where people help and support each other. Let's make Brody's story an example of warm-heartedness and compassion that surround us every day. Sometimes, a little act of kindness can change someone's life forever.